Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel KM510. In this video, we will discuss about what is delocalization energy and calculation of delocalization energy. So, firstly, what is delocalization energy? It is extra energy provided by ring orbitals of delocalized electron from pi bond that spread out over the whole covalently bonded molecule. We can say in simple word, delocalization energy is energy for delocalized electron in ring system. Now, for the calculation of delocalization energy, one formula is here. Delocalization energy dE is equal to energy of delocalized system minus energy of localized system. For better understanding, we will take one example, that is smallest ring system of this is cyclopropylene cation. For the determination of bonding non-bonding molecular orbital, I gave one video, that is by Frost and Musselin's method. If you not seen that video, then I will give you link in my description box. Also, calculation of energies of orbital in cyclic system, that video also give you. If you that video also not seen, then I will give you this link in my description box. So depending on that concept, I write here direct values. So here alpha plus 2 beta and alpha minus beta is depending upon calculation of energy orbital in cyclic system, and here 2 pi electrons are present, so filling of 2 pi electron is 1 and 2. Now, how you can calculate the energy of delocalized system is equal to, here 2 electrons are present, so 2 into alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 2 alpha plus 4 beta. Now energy of localized system is equal to 2 pi electrons are present, so 2 alpha plus 2 beta indicates 1 double bond, so here 1 double bond is present, here 2 beta. In this, alpha is energy of non-bonding electron and 2 beta for each double bond. So dE is equal to energy of delocalized system minus energy of localized system, 2 alpha plus 4 beta minus 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 2 beta. Now cyclopropyl radical. In cyclopropyl radical there are 3 pi bonds, are 3 electrons are present, sorry, not pi, 3 electrons are present. So distribution of that 3 electron is by 1 2 3, having orbital energy alpha plus 2 beta, alpha minus beta. So energy of delocalized system is equal to 2 into alpha plus 2 beta plus alpha minus beta is equal to 2 alpha plus 2 beta, sorry, 4 beta plus alpha minus beta is equal to 3 alpha plus 3 beta. So energy of localized system is equal to, here 3 electrons are present, 3 alpha plus 1 bond is present, 1 double bond is present, so 2 beta. Now dE is equal to 3 alpha plus 3 beta minus 3 alpha minus 2 beta is equal to beta. Third one is cyclopropyl radical, sorry, cyclopropyl anion, having 4 electrons, 1 2 3 4, alpha minus beta, alpha plus 2 beta. Energy of delocalized system is equal to 2 into alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 into alpha minus beta is equal to 2 alpha plus 4 beta plus 2 alpha minus 2 beta, 4 alpha minus plus 2 beta. And energy of localized system is equal to, here 4 electrons are present, 4 alpha plus 1 double bond is equal to 2 beta. So delocalization energy is equal to delocalized system minus localized system, 4 alpha plus 2 beta minus 4 alpha minus 2 beta is equal to 0. From this we can say stability of this radical, cation and anion. Firstly, C3H3 cation, C3H3 radical and C3H3 anion. Because of C3H3 cation having delocalization energy 2 beta, then radical having beta and anion having 0. So we can say about the stability. So in this video we have discussed about what is delocalization energy, energy provided by the ring or extra energy provided by the ring or ring orbitals of delocalized electron from pi bond that separate or spread out over whole covalently bonded molecule. Then this is formula for the calculation of delocalization energy is dE is equal to energy of delocalized system minus energy of localized system. And cyclopropyl cation having delocalized system 2 beta, and radical having beta and anion having 0. So we have draw here stability of that radical, anion and cation. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.